drive for the first time in busy areas, bro, it's scary. You know why? Because you want to be on this side, like the lane, so the car will be more on the left, and that's the problem, because you'll fucking hit a car.
I was hoping to take fucking Mo for a ride, just to...
He's an SF90, I don't know what he's scared of.
I know, but this hits different though. Yeah. Those cars, they're very linear and they're predictable. Yeah, this car is like, once it hits, it's like, what the fuck's going on? Bro, you gotta go on a ride, man. What the fuck?
To be honest, I'm not into this American cars or Japanese cars, or I'm just more like German and Italy. That's it. No mama's way.
Everybody talks shit about us going through a car wash with a Rolls Royce. There's a Bentley going through it right now. And that's not our car, that's not our customer, that's just a nice Bentayga going through the car wash. But here we are, the holy grail unicorn of Japanese cars. The R34 GTR, midnight purple. I guess there's midnight purple 1 and 2, this is 2. I don't know that much about these cars, but I was just informed a little bit about the history of it. Basically this body kit that's sort of like an AMG for Mercedes back in the day for this car. And that's what this car has. Just see the fender here, it's kind of like a wide body, it has this vent, the hood, the front bumper, the side skirts, the rear end, all that is added on. It even has a few carbon fiber components that are fading as well. Like this carbon fiber mirror, green carbon fading to the midnight purple. Same thing with the wing back there, that's like a green carbon fiber. BBS wheels, of course, full polished. It has a crazy brake system on there. I forgot what it's called, Endless. There's this version of this car, these brakes, I heard there was only like a handful and you can't get any more. So this has that special brake system on there. I heard this is only one of these available anywhere, and it's on this car. This green carbon fiber windowsill right here by Mines. So that's on there as well. Right-hand drive, of course. That is the HKS RB26 motor. It's numbered. You can see it usually has the RB26 cover, but it's the RB28 engine now. And it's number 17 out of, I believe, 18 or something in the world. So 750 wheel horsepower on E85. Big turbo right there, as you can see. It's got some lag to it, but it is fast once you get into like third gear. Carbon fiber, hood, super light, very, very light. This car probably weighs 3,000 pounds. You do have to slam that hard because it is carbon fiber. But yeah, gorgeous car. Our buddy Shalizi just bought it from another well-known car builder. He brought it over and took Joe on a ride and stuff like that. And it's truly a unicorn car. Everybody looks at it. Our usual Home Depot spot, we had everybody coming up to us. So this thing gets a lot of attention. This car's almost $400,000 market value, this one in particular. So crazy car. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, we love to give you all this variety. Our buddies at Royalty Towing are gonna take it to Vegas now to take it to most Shalizi's storage facility. So let's do it. Bring it, now tell me where to go, yeah. Tell me where to go and I'll go.
Yeah, just bring it up to the ramps and I'll take it.
Okay,
It's gonna take me a minute to load it.
Okay. Hey, come check out the radio. The radio is in Japanese and you can't read anything.
Oh yeah?
And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's doubled in, so it goes in. But yeah, everything inside is pretty much factory except the shifter. But yeah, you even have the best driving pleasure. That feels like it's a jab to BMW. Does that make sense? What's the BMW one? The ultimate driving machine? This is the best driving pleasure. Skyline.
Sarkis made in the book.
This is when Sarkis designs a car, this is what he does. Pretty cool, look at the diagrams.
That book is probably expensive.
It's honestly like mint too. That's pretty cool stuff, man. R34, the original book right here.
Look how excited he is because he's going and he's gonna go to the car. Look, he's dying happy and smiling.
So all that 0 to 60 talk, you can't talk anymore. Because now you have a slow car.
Yeah,
Can I borrow your M5?
sure. Pay me $1,000, drive it.
Move the car. Do it. Go do something.
Where's your keys?
It's in the box. Move the car. Move the car.
Okay, go move your van.
Go move your. No, I'm doing video. Okay.
Hey, what did you do?
Move the car.
Okay, get a ticket.
All right, let's talk about this Range Rover. So we have this beautiful Range Rover that came from the dealer, brand new. This thing is very nice. Look, it still has brand new. This is brand spanking new. Okay, I don't know where this thing came from. I think it came straight from the airplane to here. This is what I want. Unfortunately, I can't do it now. $106,000 car. So on this one, we're not gonna do much. We're just gonna do some. We're gonna powder coat the wheels, gloss black. I think that's about it. And believe it or not, this thing looks good with gloss black wheels, stock wheels. It'll take us about a day or two to do this at most. That's it. We're done with this one. Wood grain steering wheel, doors. This thing looks nice. 33 miles. It smells fresh in here. This thing's $2,300 a month.
The best one. The short one is the best. What? Short version of it is the best. Yeah.
Hey, last night I watched a movie, the Fast and Furious. Some people don't like. It's too much fiction. I like it. I like the actors. They're good. Vin Diesel. Is La Roca, he don't come out. The Rock. Loreto son, he jumped on high speed from one car to the other one though. And this guy holding like this. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, it's crazy movie, bro. Hey, this is heavy, like crazy.
How was the drive, bro?
We hit traffic.
We're in traffic the whole time. It makes a lot of noise. A lot of noise. Check it out, guys. It's a R34 front bumper, and it is midnight purple. We're gonna be clear browning it now. We're putting it in a van, taking it to the wrap shop down the street, our wrap shop, and we're gonna clear brow it. So we can keep it all good and clean and fresh. I would imagine this bumper is probably like 20, 25 grand maybe.
No way.
Yeah, it's possible if the car is like over $500,000. I'm totally bullshitting those numbers, but yeah. The whole YouTube, no, it's 5 grand, no, it's 25, whatever. Whatever it is, it's very rare and it's very nice.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.